my name is Mary Rose, but you just call me BJ Mary. Do you know guys, ever since that world began, love exists together. Yes, it's true. It's a love and beloved by someone is the most precious feeling that one can cherish and reminisce in his or her entire life. Do you know guys, what the secret of successful relationship are? Oh, simple. By simply showing the spirits of time, love, care, trust, and understanding. However, for some instance, love can hurt and sadly, it takes a wild space and a long time to move on. Move on guys, and to heal the mark wound in our heart that love created. And that what you watch in our music video guys, Paano by Joma Jikero.
Family Production.
Naaalala ko pa noong tayo'y masaya, walang ibang alam gawin kundi ang ibigin ka.
Ngunit ano ang nangyari at biglang nagbago ka? Puso ko na dating kay saya ngayon'y nagdurusa. Paano ang puso kung mawawala ka na? Ano ang gagawin para mabuhay? Paano ang puso kung ako'y iwan mo? May pagkukulang ba ako na nagawa sa'yo?
Nasaan na ang pag-ibig na nandyan sa puso mo? Hindi na ba ako ngayon ang iniibig mo? Paano ang puso kung mawawala ka na? Ano ang gagawin para mabuhay? Paano ang puso kung ako'y iwan mo? Turuan mo ako, ikaw ay Paano ang puso kung mawawala ka na? Ano ang gagawin para mabuhay? Paano ang puso kung ako'y iwan mo? Turuan mo ako, ikaw ay
It is said that it's really hard to accept that the old happy moments you've shared together was vanished because of single mistake. Oh, so sad guys. But we can do nothing because, as they say, wait, let's think about it. Yes, a rose without thorns is like love without heartbreak. Oh guys, when it becomes love, they do anything, even if they hurt some feeling. But like what I said, try to move on. Okay guys, hope you enjoy our music video guys. It's me again, Mary Rose.
God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. God gave me you. For all the time